And time now for the responses from our friends on Facebook and Twitter. Archie is at the smartboard.
Thanks, Lorraine. Flowing from those two stories, here's our question this evening asking, how do you think Jamaica could effectively market today's UNESCO Declaration of Reggae as a global treasure? 3 quick comments. Here's the first. This person says, promote the young reggae artists. This person says, promote the young reggae artists as well as the old ones. They can do more documentaries on the reggae culture and how it has evolved to modern times. And our final comment for this section is, sad too little Jamaicans really love and appreciate reggae. One of the most prominent families in Jamaica, the media and Jamaican are yet to give their dues and respect to Mr. Marley. Not Holness, not Siaga, not Simpson Miller, not Patterson, nor Manley. Manley is to reggae what food is to our bellies. Reggae is to the world what a lighthouse is to lost ships at sea. Millions of people all over the globe know of and want to come to Jamaica because of Bob Marley. They do not know or care for our prime ministers or opposition members. Keep your comments coming on facebook.com/televisionjamaica and your tweets to @televisionjam. Business news and news from overseas after the break.